Let's talk about deleyCON 6 meters HDMI cable compatible to HDMI 2.0 AB 1.4 UHD 4K HDR 3D 1080p 2160p ARC high speed with Ethernet black gray. HDMI 2.0 compatible full Ultra HD 4K support 2160p 4096 by 2160 pixels high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet channel for connecting internet-enabled AV components with ARC audio return channel compatible with all 3D Blu-ray players, real 3D TV, AV receiver with Full HD, Ultra HD. Supports all resolutions for PS3, PS4, 1. 360 and 4K Ultra HD. Transmits Internet TV and game consoles via LAN over HDMI. Full support of extended color spaces such as XV color and deep color. Transmits all digital audio formats such as 2.0 stereo mono, 2.1, 5.1, 7.1, DTS HD Mater audio, Dolby TrueHD, Dolby Digital, DTS up to 32 speakers audio channels. Ideal for Xbox 360, Xbox One, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 Beamer DVD receiver, TFT monitors, HD ready or Full HD TV, Blu-ray DVD or HD-DVDTM TV receiver, AV receiver, media player, HD ready TV, high-end Full HD TV, etc. High purity copper wires for optimum and consistent signal transmission. Density and multiple shielding to protect against interference, double shielded foil braid, connections, 2x19 pin. HDMI connector, 24K gold-plated contacts. HDMI standard 2.0 compliant reverse compatible with HDMI 1.4 1.4 full support of 3D TV Full HD 1080p Ultra HD 2160p Real 3D. Reverse compatible with HDMI 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.3 ABG, 1.4, max. Resolution, Full HD 2160p 4096 by 2160 pixels. Supports SEC control functions, very flexible, custom fit connect. I needed something 4K and HDCP 2.2 HDMI v2.0 compliant for my Denon AVRX 3400H AV amp to work with a ViewSonic PX7274K projector. A number of cables I already have wouldn't handshake, I assume, and so wouldn't work. This one did. Only had it a day, so can't comment on its longevity, but it worked to connect and handshake. Very pleased, and it's pretty cheap, let's be honest at it. Caveat: after setting my system up properly, I wanted to be clear about something over 10 meters. This does not allow 4:2:2 from Apple TV, although it works fine with 4:2:0. I tried again and again in Apple TV to use the better chroma setting, but the cable just couldn't do it. Actually, it did catch once, but was dropping out too much to use. I had to buy a 10 meters HDMI fiber cable in order to achieve 4:2:2. This still makes this cable a bargain if you don't need the improvement. Purchased as my current 5-meter cable kept cutting out at 2K 1440p 4K 2160. Previously tried the 7-meter Amazon cable, but that was useless connecting my PC running a GTX 1070 at 4K and 2K to a Samsung 7000 series 8-bit panel. This 6-meter cable runs fine at 4K at 4:4:4 chroma in NVIDIA control panel at 8-bit color. My TV only supports 8-bit color, so can't comment on 10-bit support. Have been using for a week now for gaming and movies, whereas my old cable would intermittently cut to black great when playing competitively. Not had any such problems with this cable, now laid under the carpet where it will be till the next TV fad. Cable quality is good for the price, and UHD looks stunning as you would hope with no dropouts. Would have given 5 stars, but the postage costs seem pricey for a small package. The plugs themselves are still quite large but smaller than others and don't stick out beyond the frame of my TV. Always difficult to get plugs that don't stick out of the side of the TV. If you're like me and have a wall-mounted TV, I don't want to see cables anywhere. It's just a shame the TV manufacturers don't seem to do much to help this. Have a Samsung LED and LG OLED and both have the same types of socket placement.